Today I'm reviewing TwainGPT Humanizer. I generated 3 different AI articles using ChatGPT. Each one was around 200 words and covered different topics like AI humanization, technology trends, and climate change. First, I ran the original text through GPTZero and ZeroGPT to establish a baseline. Then I processed them through TwainGPT using the advanced writing setting, which is supposed to produce the best output. I checked the humanized versions again using both detection tools, and ZeroGPT returned a 0% AI score for all 3 texts. But when I ran the same outputs through GPTZero, the results told a very different story. As you can see on screen, GPTZero still shows a strong AI probability for every sample. So while the text may pass one detector, it clearly struggles with another. I also looked closely at the writing quality itself. The output is readable, but it doesn't always feel natural. Some sentences become extremely long and packed with ideas, which makes them tiring to read. In other places, the wording becomes strange, like grammar mistakes or awkward phrases that don't quite sound right. There are also sections where the writing becomes repetitive. For example, multiple short sentences starting with the same word again and again. It almost reads like bullet points instead of a smooth paragraph. Overall, the text usually needs editing before it would be ready to use. There are also a few limitations worth mentioning. The free plan only allows about 250 words and just a few AI detector checks, which makes testing larger content a bit difficult. Paid plans remove those limits, but still cap monthly word usage unless you choose the highest tier. However, one thing worth noting is the refund policy. According to the terms, all purchases are final and refunds are not provided, even if you cancel your account or are simply not satisfied with the results. For comparison, I also tested the same text using another humanizer called Clever Ai Humanizer. When the outputs were checked with GPTZero and ZeroGPT, both detectors showed almost 0 AI probability. The text also sounded much smoother and required far less editing. So if your goal is to actually reduce AI detection and get more natural sounding writing, Clever Ai Humanizer currently looks like the more reliable option.